Are you struggling to turn leads into deals? You are not alone. Most B2B sales teams face 5 common challenges that directly impact their bottom line. But what if I told you there is a way to fix them and skyrocket your conversions? Stick around and find out how. I'm Tony Koenig, and I've spent the last 18 years helping B2B sales teams optimize their processes and close more deals faster. In this video, I'm going to break down the 5 key pain points holding sales teams back and show you how to overcome them. So let's dive in. Number 1 is inefficient lead generation. Many teams spend hours chasing unqualified leads, wasting time and resources. Imagine investing all that effort only to hit a dead end. The solution is focus on refining your lead qualification process and leveraging tools like CRMs and AI to filter for quality prospects. Number 2, inadequate understanding of buyer personas. If you don't fully understand your buyer's persona, your messaging doesn't align with what your customer truly wants. It's like speaking 2 different languages. There's no what they call synchronicity. So you need to get crystal clear on your ideal customer profile to craft targeted, personalized outreach. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. And with a CRM, you can segment your list. You can differentiate between the types of buyers and leads in your list and talk to them accordingly. Number 3, poor sales pipeline management. This is very important because you need to have a clear picture every day of who you need to speak to, who you need to follow up with, and who are new people in the pipeline and how they need to be treated. So a disorganized pipeline is like trying to navigate a maze blindfolded. You'll miss opportunities and end up with inaccurate forecasts. Invest in a structured system or tool to track and manage your pipeline effectively. CRMs are here to stay and to grow your business, and any business who wants to actually expand must have a CRM. This is an age-old fight that we have for misalignment between marketing and sales. If these teams aren't working together, leads fall through the cracks. So regular communication and shared goals can bridge the gap, ensuring a seamless and a nurturing process. And then the 5th one, long sales cycles and stalled deals, especially if you're selling higher ticket items. So it is frustrating when deals stall at the last minute. The fix is focus on clear communication and addressing objections early in the process. Speeding up the cycle not only saves time, but also strengthens customer trust. And having an automated outreach ready to actually handle objections and to show areas where your products actually solve a problem or an issue, and case studies make your sales process so much easier and faster. So, are you ready to transform your sales process? Click the link in the description to book a free consultation with us today. Let's optimize your sales pipeline together. The risks of not fixing these points are severe. Now you might be thinking, what happens if I don't address these issues? Well, here is the reality. Number 1, lost revenue opportunities. Every qualified or unqualified lead and missed pipeline opportunity is money left on the table. Don't let this organization cost you revenue. There are startling figures like 67% of leads fall by the wayside due to a slow follow-up process or due to rep or salesperson, buyers not contacting that lead. And AI and automation can fix all of this for you. Higher customer churn rates. Okay? So if people don't understand what you're selling, or your web page and your social media and those things do not align, that there's no synchronicity there, you have a much higher churn rate. So misaligned messaging or a poor customer experience doesn't just hurt conversion, it impacts retention too. And we all know retaining customers is cheaper than acquiring new ones. Number three here, wasted resources. So without efficient processes, you're burning time and money. Why work harder when you can work smarter? AI has become a no-brainer. CRM has become a no-brainer. A low team morale. So a frustrated sales team is an unproductive one. When deals keep stalling, it's hard to stay motivated. When leads keep falling by the wayside, it's hard to stay motivated. When you're losing leads to your competition because they get to them faster, it's hard to stay motivated. Okay, so it's important to deal with these issues. So now that you know the risks, it's time to take action. Click the link below in the description and book a free consultation. And let's tackle these challenges together. Do not wait. Your competitors are not.